Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I got the package from the mail. This is I ordered this stuff and then just one small package. So yeah, this is from John. Thank you, John, because I really appreciate it because I order and thank you, appreciate it. It's so big. So yeah, then the mail came today. And I ordered from the patch, just one patch, and that's it. So yep, there is. It's more like a brand new patch, a green patch. So this looks very nice color. I like how like a green looks. It's look like facey. So yeah, this looks facey. Yeah, that's awesome. So yeah, that's cool. And I'll say thank you so much, you guys, and appreciate it. I would say thank you for John, the for patch or no, we appreciate so well for supporting bell bands and stuff. So I would say thank you so much, you guys, and thanks for watching. And don't forget, game comments below where you think this video and hit the like button. Um, don't forget to subscribe and you don't miss a video. And hit the notification bell because you don't miss a video, you guys. And I really hope. And don't forget to follow me at social media. And so yeah, take care of yourself.